This week we went to Mensa Caminada and we sold some CDs. We sold some elementary school CDs on how to train children on mathematics. Now, I have to say that we went in the middle of the month, so the store wasn't, at its full potential. But next week we're going to go at the store again. And next week it's the end of the month, so people will be having money, and we will be filming it and we will put it on YouTube. Besides that, I wanted to ask you guys something. Since we are selling this product called Elementary Mathematics Training, I want to ask you guys, do you guys believe in mathematics trainings? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think, because your comment means a lot to us. And I will have to tell you guys to subscribe to this channel, because there is a lot, and I mean a lot of news that is going to come in your way. For example, before I continue, I want to show you guys a footage of this week at Mensa Caminada. A child, for example, right now we're looking at a child, and you can see that he's trying out the product. She is trying out the product, and she likes it. And there is nothing better when the customer likes your product. She spent a whole lot of time on the computer and she didn't want to go home. But that shows that the child will become better in mathematics. Now, I want this to be addressed to parents very, very clearly. When you start riding a car, for example, you was very bad at it at first. But when you practice and practice, in time you will become better at it. And that is what we want to achieve with elementary mathematical school training. So, if you don't want your kids to have a bad grade, I say buy this product. Okay guys, please subscribe. If you like this channel, like it, because it helps a lot.